This video is for people whose children are going to fight when they die. Yes, you heard it. It is for people whose children are going to fight when they die. I am attorney Vernita Williams. I handle probate and estate planning cases. And occasionally I run across families that have children who fight when the parents die. You know, if this is your family situation, you know which child will take charge if you pass away. You know which one will be emotionally impaired and can't do anything. You know if you have a child in prison who probably sat there during their prison stay and just read statutes, so that one will write the probate lawyer a lot of letters, will write the judge in your probate a lot of letters. Every child will have their own personality and their own style. So you as a parent, you have to think about their future. And I'm going to give you 4 tips that you should use so that you could alleviate a lot of confusion if you know your children are going to fight after you pass away. First of all, tip number 1, hire an estate planning attorney that understands how to do estate planning. Not a general attorney, but an estate planning attorney experienced in the area. Do your estate plan with that attorney and videotape your estate plan execution of the documents. Yes, sit there right on video and say to your children, this is mom, this is dad. Yes, I'm with the attorney. These are my documents that I am signing. These are my wishes. This is what I have done, and here is why. In that way, your information is recorded on video. You can share that with your children, and there will be no doubt as to what was mom and dad's wishes. Tip number 2, when you go to the estate planning attorney, talk to the attorney by yourself. It may be very, very tempting to take your favorite son or your favorite daughter and go and meet with the lawyer with that particular child. But that's not always the best route, because your estate planning attorney needs to be able to say, I met with the mom or I met with the dad alone, and these were their wishes. They will not be able to say that if that child, that son, that daughter that you favor was sitting right there breathing down the lawyer's neck every step of the way. You need to talk to the lawyer by yourself. Number 3, pay the lawyer from your own personal bank account. Don't be tempted to allow the favorite child that you want to give a lot of power or that you want to give your assets. Don't let that child write a check from their bank account. It looks like that child was controlling everything. Make sure you pay the lawyer yourself from your own bank account. And the 4th tip is this. Make sure you use uninvolved witnesses on your document. Don't take a lot of people that you're giving things in your estate plan and let them serve as witnesses. It is best to use witnesses for your estate planning document that have nothing to lose or gain by the plan that you have put together. So make sure your witnesses are neutral. Those are the 4 points. Those are the things that you can do to help create clarity and harmony and understanding among your children. This is Vernita Williams. If you would like additional information on 25 tips for helping to avoid legal nuisances and nightmares where estate planning is concerned, or if you want a checklist of 25 things you can do to set your affairs in order, please go to my website. It is vcwlaw.com. That's vcwlaw.com for these 2 free downloads. Also, if you have questions, comments, or suggestions, you can call me at 786-831-9483. That is 786-831-9483. Thank you for listening.